Kathak maestro, the legendary Pandit Birju Maharaj, has passed away at the age of 83. He died at his home late on Sunday due to a heart attack in Delhi. The Kathak exponent had been suffering from a kidney ailment and was under dialysis treatment. His health suddenly deteriorated Sunday night when he complained of breathlessness. He fell unconscious and was taken to a hospital, but in 10 minutes he passed away, his granddaughter Ragini Maharaj told the media. With Birju Maharaj's passing, it is the end of an era in Kathak. Born as Brij Mohan Nath Mishra on February 4, 1937, Birju Maharaj was a descendant of the Maharaj family of Kathak dancers, which includes his two uncles, Shambhu Maharaj and Lachu Maharaj, and his father and guru, Achan Maharaj. He was an exponent of the Lucknow Gharana of Kathak dance. His contribution to the revival of Kathak as a dance form set in tradition but designed for contemporary performances is unparalleled. Some critics even describe Kathak dance style eras as before Birju Maharaj and after Birju Maharaj. He is remembered for always pushing creative limits and putting Kathak on the global map. He was a recipient of the country's second highest civilian award, Padma Vibhushan. He was not only a legendary Kathak guru, but an expert percussionist, a prolific singer, poet, and painter as well. He was fondly called Maharaj Ji or Pandit Ji by his generations of disciples and followers. Ace directors would turn to Birju Maharaj for dance sequences in their productions. His inimitable touch will live on in films such as Satyajit Ray's historical drama Shatranj Ke Khiladi, for which he sang as well, and for the Kahe Chhede Mohe track picturized on Madhuri Dixit in the 2002 version of Devdas. Not only that, Maharaj Ji won the National Award for choreographing Unnai Kanadu Nan in the Kamal Haasan multilingual mega hit Vishwarupam and the Filmfare Awards for the Bajirao Mastani number Mohe Rang Do Lal. Maharaj Ji has performed in the Royal Court of Awadh. His first recital was at the age of 7. He started teaching Kathak when he was just 13 at the Sangeet Bharati in New Delhi. He then taught at the Bharatiya Kala Kendra in Delhi and at the Kathak Kendra, where he was the head of faculty and director until his retirement in 1998. Rich tributes were paid to him by artists, politicians, and people with the news of his passing. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to the stalwart, writing that Pandit Birju Maharaj's passing leaves a deep void in the world of art.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.